Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Bibi Oyediro. Please subscribe to my channel. Today I decided to create a bold look with a subtle lips. If you want to watch how I achieved this look, stay tuned and let's get right into it. First of all, I'm going to be applying my Milk of Magnesia primer all over my face with my stipple brush. After that, I'm going to be applying my moisturizer to reduce the intensity of the primer on my face. Then after that, I'm going to be applying my L.A Girl Color Corrector in orange on my face to cover up my dark spots and blemishes, and I'm just dabbing it right into my skin. After that, I'm going to be mixing two MAC foundations together with my NYX Illuminator, and I'm just going to be dabbing it into my skin with my beauty blender, wet beauty blender. After that, I'm going to be applying my Milani Powder, and I'm just dabbing it into my skin on my face, all over my face. Then I'll be going in with my L.A Girl Concealer in Fawn to highlight under my eyes, on my forehead, the bridge of my nose, my chin, and my cheekbones. And I'm just going to be making sure everything is well blended. Then I'm going to be applying my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish under my eye, and that's because my under eye tends to crease immediately after applying the concealer. After that, I'm going to be applying my Sacha Buttercup Setting Powder all over the areas I applied my concealer, just to set the concealer. After that, I'm just going to be dusting the excess and trying to blend everything all together on my face with my brush. Then I'm going to be applying brown from my Sleek Contour Kit on my crease to contour my crease before applying my eyeshadow. And I'm just going to be blending it on my crease. After that, I'm going to be taking in dark purple from my House of Tara eyeshadow palette, and I'm just also going to be applying it on my crease and blending everything together. After that, I'm going to be applying my House of Tara eyeshadow primer on my lid. Then I'm going to be blending it with my finger all over my eyelids. Then after that, I'm going to be applying black from my NYX eyeshadow palette at the edge of my outer part of my lids. And I'm just going to be blending it all together. Then I'm going to be applying blue from the same palette all over my lids. Then I'm going to be applying blue again from my Nuban Beauty eyeshadow palette all over my eyelids. After that, I'm just going to blend everything together. I'm applying Inglot Gel Liner in 77, black gel liner in 77 on my upper lash line. And I'm just creating a small wing After that, I'll be applying my Maybelline mascara on my eyelashes before using my falsies. I'm applying Debbyluster Eyelashes with my Xyron Lash Glue, and I'm just carefully going to put that on top of my eyelash actually. After that, I'm going to be applying my Mabrook Liquid Eyeliner on my upper lash line, on top of the lashes basically. And then I'm just going to use my powder brush to dust up the excesses and blend everything, make sure everything is well blended on my face. And I'm going to be going in with my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish Powder, and I'm just going to apply it all over my highlighted areas on my face. After that, I'll be going in with my Mabrook Eyepencil, and I'm applying it on my waterline. Then I'll be going in with blue from my NYX palette, and I'm just going to be smudging it under my lower lash line, or rather on my lower lash line, sorry. And I'm just going to be using my powder brush to, blend everything all together. I'm going to be contouring with Maybeline Powder in Cocoa, and I'm just going to be applying it under my cheekbones. Unfortunately, I lost the clips for creating the brows, but I'm going to film a separate how to draw brows soon. Cleaning up my brows with my concealer, my L.A Girl Concealer, and I'm just going to be carefully applying it on my brow bone. And I'll be applying my blush from my Cosmectics blush palette. After that, I'm going to be setting my face with my Nuban Beauty setting spray, and I'm just going to be applying it all over my face and letting it sink in. I'm going to be applying my Fantastic Baked Bronzer on my brow bone, the bridge of my nose, my Cupid's bow, and my tear duct. Then I'm going to be lining my lips with Milani Lip Liner in Cocoa. Then I'll carefully apply my Jioney Lipgloss all over my lips, and I'm just going to smack till it's well blended. Then I'm going to be contouring, defining the contour on my nose to make sure that everything is well blended and looking, good. And I'm just going to be applying my bronzer on my cheekbone, my forehead, my chin, and the necessary areas, and I'm just going to be glowing all round.
We've come to the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment, and share. Follow me on Instagram and Snapchat. See you in my next video. Bye.